Gusto ko lang pong ipatotoo kung yung mga dakilang bagay na ginawa ng Diyos sa ating buhay, bunga ng ating sunod-sunod at faithful sa ating pagkakaloob sa TV, sa tithes and offerings, and sa lahat ng panawagan ng lingkod na Diyos when it comes to sacrificial giving. When I graduate college, I was having hard time to get a job. Nag-start tayo sa maliit na halaga sa pagbibigay. So as far as I remember, that was year 2006. My first giving, I think that was only 50 pesos. And then dahil sa sunod-sunod na ating pagkakaloob at pagbibigay sa Diyos, tayo binigyan ng trabaho. I have my first job as a IT professional. Because of our continuous obedience in giving, doon nag-start yung overflowing blessings natin. My first company was acquired by the largest bank in the Philippines. My second company, mas maraming blessings ang binigay ng Lord. So mas maraming benepisyo ang binigay. Bali ang nangyari, 100% yung increase natin sa ating salary because of our obedience in giving our first fruits. That was second month of February 2012. I was sent by my previous company to Taiwan for an onshore assignment. So that's onshore assignment is basically may allowance po siya. So because of God's amazing grace, nakapunta tayo sa bansang Taiwan. And then ngayon naman po, yung current company na pinapasukan ko, I was asked already by my boss to get my US visa. So anytime, any moment, I will be going to USA for an onshore assignment. Aking pinaniniwalaan at kinlaim yung lahat ng prophecy ng Man of God na before December 2012 ends, I will reap 100-fold blessings. That was December 14 nung nakuha natin yung 100-fold blessing na sinasabi ng Man of God. So 100-fold blessing talaga kasi yung binigay sa akin ng Lord, that was 100,000 pesos. I was just expecting na I will just have a new job dahil sa ating tuloy-tuloy na pagkakaloob and pagsasakripisyo. Tayo binigyan ng Diyos ng favor at pagkatapos ng 100-fold blessings na yon, tuloy-tuloy yung blessings na binigay ng Lord. So before December 2012 ends, tayo binigyan ulit ng Lord ng blessings. Then ngayong taon na to, 2013, when I decided to give my first fruit to God, I was just expecting na magkakaroon ako ng salary lang. And then, I was very surprised na ang laking pera yung binigay sa akin ng Lord. Dati, ako yung nagko-commute lang via LRT or jeep or FX. So ngayon, nakabili po tayo ng sasakyan, bigay ng Panginoon. Ini-enjoy natin yung blessings ng ating tuloy-tuloy na pagkakaloob sa Diyos. I encourage everybody to give their very best to God in tithes, in offerings, and in all the sacrificial givings that the Man of God is always encouraged us. So, glory to God in the highest.